back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I get this look while my friend Jxrdy, he's kind of famous, y'all. He's a rapper, does a voiceover. Now, voiceovers haven't been, honestly, just some black guy. Nobody's been able to top him. So Jxrdy, we'll see what you can do, and we'll see how how much you actually watch my videos. So this is a test of friendship also. But guys, if you're ready to see how I get this pink glam look, keep on watching.
Yeah. So first off, we're gonna do this. This right here is the Tarte Shape Tape, the tan sand. Yes, sir. So yeah, this the part where a lot of people start messing up already. You know what I'm saying? That's why y'all be coming out looking like 7 different people. So check this out. You're gonna blend this in on both eyelids nicely, just nicely. Not too hard, not too tough. Not you don't want to break out or nothing. So just take it easy. Take it easy. Nice strokes. Nice strokes. Yes, yes. We're going to just keep doing that, I guess, for an hour or so. Exactly. Just like that. Alright, so now we're going to use some of this highlighter pink. We're going to put that right over the Tarte tan butter. Yes, sir. Now, once again, gentle strokes. Like you brushing a baby's head. Just take it easy. Keep applying that highlighter pink. Yeah. You're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Any minute now.
Check this out. Check this out. Check this out. Check this out.
Ooh, then she time travel on your ass just like that. Yes, sir. So now we're going to go on to the next color. It's a little darker. We're going to go under that highlighter pink. You see how the color seems to change just a little bit? We're going to go over it now, just a little bit. Not too much. You see how she's leaving that one corner? It seems as if she's leaving that untouched. Maybe that's for another color. But wait a minute. Here we go. So now this is the tan sand once again. You're going to put some more of that bad boy on there. We're going to hit that corner that I was talking about that she saved for last. Work that in there, work that in there. Yeah. Work that in there. Make sure y'all go subscribe to this YouTube channel, by the way. We not here for no reason, alright? Shitting me? So moving on. No eyelid gets left behind. So we're going to make sure we do the same thing to the other side. Same exact thing. If you could do it once, you could definitely do it twice. Alright, so now we got the Luxe Smoky Jxrdy. Jxrdy, however you pronounce that. And I like this. Yeah, I like when they got, yes sir, you know I like that. Yeah, I like the little glitter effect it has right there. You're gonna rub that right in, right over that tan butter once again. Ooh.
Check this out. Check this out. Check this out.
So now we getting that real pink effect now. Looking good, looking good.
Ooh, check this out. Check this out. Ooh, check this out.
So now we have the Morph E36. We're gonna go right over that right there on the eyelid. Just gonna dab a little bit of that in there. Dab a little bit on that side. Both sides. Looking good, looking good. Little dance, little dance.
Check this out.
Now we're gonna shake this up. Yeah,
check
shake
this
it,
out.
shake it, shake it. Yes, sir.
Ooh,
So check this out.
out.
This piece I got from Rihanna, and I sent this to her personally. This is called an angle liner brush. Now with this piece, we're gonna just outline the eyebrows. Yeah, take your time with this, ladies, because this right here, you don't want to mess up. This is tedious, not speedious. Okay. Look how much care she has. By the way, make sure y'all follow that Instagram too. Y'all should be following already, but we ain't gonna talk about that. Love how she makes her face a canvas. Look at that, look at that. We're gonna use this brush, this dome brush, and just take our time with it. Once again, whatever we do to one side, we do to the other. This is the foundation. Little dab there, and rub it in. Yes, sir. Okay, moving on. We're gonna get more of that tan sand. Slab some right on the nose there, right on the nose bone, right above the lip, right under the eye, right on the side of the nose bone, under the eye, yes sir, right on the cheek, one cheek, left cheek. Whoa, but we not dancing, we're doing makeup, ladies. Yes sir. Now we're gonna take our sponge, and what we're gonna do is work in all of that foundation. You see it. Bow. 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 You see it. You see it. Take your time with this, ladies. I see a lot of you guys come outside and it doesn't look good. Not good as this.
Check this out. Check this out. Check this out. Check this out. Ooh. Check this out. Ooh. Check this out. Check this out. Ooh. Check this out.
We're gonna take some of this setting powder. This right here is so your makeup doesn't get all runny and all that. This right here is gonna make it really stay to your face. You know what I'm saying? Same thing. Nose, under the eye. Start getting, just dabbing it on the face. Yes, sir. You know, get more of that. Don't be selfish with it. Don't be stingy with it. You know what I'm saying? Now I know you guys already subscribed, but I'm gonna just say it for the people in the back. Subscribe now and cut on that notification bell so you can see every time that I upload. Moving on, we're gonna use some of this Shockwave Neon Lip Liner. This right here, we go right under the eyes. This is to give that nice effect, just to really bring out the eyes. So now, we're gonna take our little brush here. We're gonna just go over the face. Yeah, one more time, go over the face. The thing is, we wanna work in this face so it's really good, you know what I'm saying? We don't have time to be stepping outside and then the sun is melting our face. We don't have time for our face to not be blended in. You know what I'm saying, ladies? We gotta really make sure we come outside looking good, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. So now moving on. This right here, we just gonna really just polish up our face. I think this right here is when we gonna get that glow effect, I believe. She's looking for that nice glow effect on the skin. Feel me? She know what she doing though. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gotta know what y'all doing. That's why we here.
Check this out. Check this out. Check this out. Check this out. Ooh.
So now we got some blush and bronzer right here. We're gonna use that DKB, the dome angled kabuki brush. Gonna rub this in. Like I said, we're not done with the face. We're gonna take our time with the face so everything is good. Honestly, to me, I wouldn't be able to tell she had on a face of makeup. All I really could see. This is nice. This is nice, guys. This is good work. This is good work.
Check this out.
She know what she doing.
Check this out. Check this out.
Actions speak louder than
check
words,
this
so I'm gonna
out.
just be
Ooh,
quiet at this point.
ooh,
You guys see what's going on.
Check this out. Ooh. Check this out. Check this out.
Woo-wee!
Ooh.
Now
check
that's
this
a
out.
look right there. That is a look right there. Okay.
Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. The lashes are in the style Wildin, you guys already know. Make sure you check it out. ARiiED Beauty for now. We'll talk about rebranding later, but the lip combo you guys already know. It is my Ariie by NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner topped with Dose of Colors Nude Moon. That is my favorite. The highlight is just in my Pro Light Fusion number 2. Whichever the gold one is, I never remember ever. The contacts are in Pony Gray by fresheye.us. So check them out. Those details will be in the description box below. But y'all, we cute or we cute? And you know I got the Pyrex top on because those are my guys. But how we feeling? We feeling good? How did Jxrdy do? Y'all like what he did? A good job? Now you guys know I watch this with you when it premieres, but I'm hoping he didn't embarrass me. So Jxrdy, how do you think I did on this look?
Based off of how long I've been teaching you this stuff, man, I think that you did pretty.
To be honest, I don't really care. But I do want to thank you for doing this voiceover for me. I really do appreciate it on such short notice. But y'all, that is it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you liked the look. And if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time.